Go to Extensions, Installer. Click on the Upload button. Select the file. Now you have uploaded the base plugin files. Now go to Extensions under Extensions menu. Choose Modules from the drop-down list. Find Base plugin in the list. Click on the Install button. Base plugin is now installed. Now go to Extension, Modifications. You will find Base plugin in the modification list. Click on Refresh button. Now you can see two new links appear on the left side navigation panel. Your base plugin installation is now complete. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more such demonstration videos. Visit HuntBee.com if you have any queries.